Hey, Theme Park DNA here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from the Custom Saber Shop. I recently ordered a lot of their screws. So in there, if you look on the Custom Saber Shop's website, then you'll find that there's a screw section, and several of these can be used for blade retention as a replacement for blade retention screw. So I ordered several different ones in the 8/32 size, which seems to be the most common size for blade retention screws. Oh, that's nice. All right, let's take a look. I got a couple of hilts to try these on. Alright, so I ordered 3 different types of each. Alright, the Custom Saber Shop has several different screws to choose from, and so I got 3 kinds of 2 different varieties. So I got what they had available of a covertec button thumb screw, which I thought was really unique. So it's a covertec button that's machined to be flat instead of curved, and it's got an 8/32 screw on the end of it. And so I thought it might be a good way to add a covertec wheel and have something more aesthetically pleasing and maybe a little easier to tighten and loosen. So I've got what they had available. I got the aluminum color and the covertec thumb screw. Got the anodized blue, which looks really good. That could add some color to something. And I've got the anodized red. The next set of screws I ordered were also 8/32 size, and these are all thumb screws. This is a black one. This was the size. This is the 0.3 inch size. So I've got black, the silver aluminum color. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bit of diamond checking here on the side. Give you a little extra grip. And then I have the anodized red. Alright, let's see how they look. Alright, this is my second Frankensaber that I got. And if you haven't already seen the review, check it out in the description below. I'll post a link. But I was missing this. The emitter here is from the Emperor's hand, and there's a thumb screw right here that's missing, and it's really just for aesthetic purposes, because one of these screws that holds this piece on is longer than the back one is longer, and it is actually serves as the blade retention screw. So this would just be for aesthetics, but as it is, it's just a hole that needs something there. So let's see what this looks like. Not bad. I've got my covertec belt clip here. Well, they work just fine. They seem to work just fine in the clip, but because this one is so close to this other button, it's not going to work. Let's see how this looks. Trying to add a little something to it other than silver and black. Yeah, it works perfect. I think I'm going to keep that one on there. Alright, well that one isn't... That's just for aesthetics. But I like it. Wow, I prefer the covertec wheels on the bottom of the saber, to on the pommel end. For a saber that doesn't already have one, this might be a nice option. It does stick out a good bit though. I don't care for that. I don't believe these came in a shorter length. But it does serve the purpose of both blade retention screw and covertec wheel. But I really just don't like hanging it from your belt from the top. It doesn't seem practical. Although I know Darth Vader clipped his from the top. I mean, he's Vader, he can do what he wants. Oh, I can't bring myself to mix orange and blue. I like it, but the threads are a little too long. I may have to cut off the end of that to try to make it fit a little more flush. Oh, that length is much better. It still sticks out just a bit. But that actually might give you, it's kind of like a thumb rest where you can't go any further. If you're dual wielding, kind of gives you a hand stop, so to speak. Doesn't look bad, and it does the job of retaining the blade, or in this case a blade plug. I like it. So this was the 0.3 inch size. Well, I just double checked the website, and this is going to be the smallest size of these thumb screws that they have. They also have a 3/8 size, but that's going to be a little longer than this. So, all in all, I like them. I think I'm going to order some more, just because I like I prefer these over the set screws. Set screws are probably a little more practical, and I just like how these look better. So let me know what you think in the comments below. What do you think about the thumb screw as opposed to the set screw? And what do you think about the covertec wheel? I think I'm going to like the covertec wheel. I just need to cut a little length off of it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.